For decades, we have been shying away from the sun, given its ties to skin cancer and premature aging. But recent scientific research suggests that altogether shunning sunlight isn't such a good idea. Varma thokkanam therapy gives the best results when you should soak up some sunshine every day. The results produced by these holistic therapies are fantastic when the patients are exposed to early morning sunshine during the sunrise. Here is why does Ayurveda Panchakarma and Varma thokkanam therapy related to exposure to sunshine every day. It promotes bone growth. Vitamin D is a hormone that promotes calcium absorption and is essential for bone growth and formation. Since sunlight is a primary source of vitamin D, the hormone is also dubbed as the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D found in our body needs activation. The sun helps to convert inactive vitamin D levels to active. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, getting anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes of sunlight on your arms, hands, and face twice or thrice a week is enough to reap the vitamin D boosting benefits of the sun. It helps elevate mood. The sun works through several brain receptors to affect our mental status and alertness. Moderate sunlight exposure helps improve your mood and focus by boosting the serotonin levels in your body. Also known as the happiness hormone, it makes you calm and alert. Also, sunlight decreases the risk of depression in those at risk of seasonal affective disorder (SAD). It lowers blood pressure. According to a recent study conducted by researchers at Edinburgh University, moderate exposure to the sun's UV rays can cause a significant drop in blood pressure levels. Lower blood pressure levels help cut down the risk of stroke and heart disease. Nearly half of our population have high blood pressure. It improves sleep. The brighter your daylight exposure, the more melatonin you produce at night. Melatonin is a type of hormone that's produced by the pineal gland in the brain during darkness at night. Also known as the sleep hormone, melatonin has a range of effects on the brain, from improving sleep to synchronizing your biological clocks and lowering stress reactivity. Additionally, the amount of daylight exposure you get is crucial in maintaining a normal circadian rhythm. Distorted circadian rhythms can induce symptoms of both depression and bipolar disorder, depending on the pattern of disruption. It promotes weight loss. Latest research reveals that basking in morning sunshine can reduce body fat and help you shed those extra pounds. The study suggests that as little as 20 to 30 minutes of early morning sun exposure is sufficient for you to lower your body mass index (BMI) and trim your waistline. It helps strengthen the immune system. Strong association studies have found it appears to be necessary for adequate amounts to turn on your ability to survey the rest of your cells. Since regular sun exposure is one of the most robust ways to up active vitamin D levels in your body, it can help beef up your immune system as well. Inadequate levels of this vitamin D have been associated with an increased rate of infection, cancer, and mortality rate after surgery. It may reduce the risk of melanoma. Safe sun exposure may protect you from skin cancer. According to a study published in the Lancet journal, the skin's exposure to ultraviolet radiation of short wavelength (UVB) has been associated with a decreased risk of melanoma. The research found that outdoor workers exposed to regular sunlight had a lower risk of developing skin cancer than their indoor counterparts. Other than that, an adequate amount of sunlight has also been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, including colon, ovarian, pancreatic, and prostate cancer, suggests a study published in the Environmental Health Perspectives journal. In the summer season, before you toss away your sunscreen and hit the beach, note that if you're going to be outside for more than 15 minutes, you should protect your skin by applying sunscreen with an SPF of 15 or greater. Since most sunblock agents take 10 to 20 minutes to work, if you apply it and go immediately out in the sun, you will get what experts view as a healthy amount of direct sun exposure. Thus there is a strong link between workplace daylight exposure and the employee's sleep, activity, and quality of life. The health expert also stresses that average individuals should measure their vitamin D level at least once a year, more if they are changing supplements or moving to a different region.